Hi, it's Don Petrasic from the Rehab Offer Calculator, and you're watching Inputting Room by Room Data. The first step in inputting each room's data is to choose which contingency rate you want to use for that particular room. You can choose to use the standard rate, which is the rate that you set on the offer calculator page, or you can input a flat rate for that will apply to that particular room only. To choose a standard rate, you simply put a checkbox next to the standard rate. Most of these selections are, in fact, checkbox selections, as you can see here. The measurements are driven primarily off of the room sizes that you put in at the top of each room's data entry sheet, so make sure those are correct. In some cases, for example, replace rotted floor, you do have to put an input, but in general, there's only 2 or 3 of those on every page. It's mostly checkbox entry so that you can get through a property very quickly and not waste a lot of time measuring baseboards and walls and other things. You can see here that as you make your checkmark selections, the estimated labor and material cost categories will update. For example, there's the walls. This DIY section here, the yellow boxes on the left, that indicates do it yourself. So what that does is it takes the labor cost out of the cost estimate. You'll also see the totals at the bottom of the page, including the contingency, which in this case is the standard 10%. Some of the other data entry items are actually drop downs. For example, grounded outlets, number of grounded outlets, size of storm door, etc. In the next video, we'll take a look at the output that comes from doing the room by room data entry.